Hi, this is Ali Monk, the ARIDO Communications Coordinator, and in this video I'm going to show you how to update your blog ARIDO profile. So you start at arido.ca and you want to head over to the membership gateway. There you log in as you normally do and you'll be taken right to your profile. So if you see your name at the top, you know you're in the right place. The easiest thing to start with is to upload your headshot. So you click on the red sign with the plus, find the file on your computer locally, and then you upload it. There's a box that will pop up that says, "Are you sure you want to upload this file?" And you click OK, and then it's there. If you need to change the orientation of the image, you just click these arrows, and that will rotate the photo based on what you need. And then if you want to delete the photo, you click on the trash can. So you can see here the blog bio is empty. So all you need to do is click on Edit Bio, Contact Employer Info, and you click Edit, this blue button that says Edit, and here you can insert, "This is my bio." I would advise copy pasting text in from another place where you've edited it. If you want to include any emphasis on the text, like bold, you can. And then other people have used the editor to include bullet points. So maybe you might say you are and you can put other certifications or special projects or things you want to highlight for your audience who's reading this. I would advise if you're working for a firm and they've created a bio for you that's with the brand, you can speak to your marketing or communications team to see if that can be reposted to blog ARIDO. Or if you're looking to use your profile more to get your own clients, you want to think about who's reading it. So who your target audience is, homeowners, business owners, etc. Just remember to click Save Changes at the bottom. And then the other things that I want to highlight here are the addresses. If this information isn't filled in, it will just not appear on your profile. The thing to highlight is this Use Employer Address as Primary Address. So if that box is ticked, then your address will be pulled in from your employer's address, and you can edit that this way. So let's say you change firms and you untick that, or you start your own firm. Here you can enter in all that information, or if you keep it ticked, it will pull the information from your employer, and then you click Save Changes. The other thing I want to highlight here is the contact numbers. The blog will pull in the phone number that we have on record for your work phone number. So if you've indicated a home phone number or a cell phone number, it won't appear on the blog publicly. And then your social media handles. So another thing I would advise is if you are working for a firm, you can put their social media handles in, including website, or your alternate email address if that's important to you, unless you have personal, professional social media pages that you would include here. The other thing is this website here is a little bit confusing because if you are using, as I said before, the employer address as primary address, that will pull your employer's website. So if your employer doesn't have a website indicated in the ARIDO directory, there won't be a website associated with your profile. So that's important if you run your own firm, but you have created an employer in the ARIDO system. And here's where you would change all that. You can look up all sorts of different firms and search by name. once you found the firm, that information isn't something you can edit because it's been created in the ARIDO system. So I just want to highlight the sectors here. If you don't have these checked off, you won't appear in the special search that people on the blog can do based on sector, which I'll highlight in a minute. So it's important if you want people to find you based on your specialization that you have these ticked. So in the directory, you can search by, so people in the public can search by city, postal code, or specialty. And this specialty is what I wanted to highlight before. So if somebody is looking for a residential designer or somebody who has a specialty in healthcare, if you don't have those checked off in your profile, then you won't appear. And then you can search alphabetically, and you can also search by last name. So I'm going to search by Smith, as that's the name of the profile we were just updating. And you'll see here Jane Smith has the first name, last name, company name, website, and phone, and any social media handles would be here as well. You can also see this is where the bio is indicated and the specialties. So one thing I will just highlight is this post here by member Danielle Campbell. This is a post about a project that she's completed. And then at the very end of the post, you see more from this author, Danielle Campbell, the name of her business, her headshot, and you can click on her profile here. And if we look at her profile, you'll see it has her email address, phone, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, her bio, her specialties, and then the article that we were just looking at.